Well, yogurt is the only superfood you need to include in your daily summer diet. Here we are explaining the benefits of yogurt. Today's video discusses the only superfood you need to include in your daily summer diet.
Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
Here are 5 benefits of yogurt, especially during the summer. 1. Keeps you hydrated. Summertime tests the energy levels and it is difficult to stay hydrated when you are constantly sweating. But yogurt is extremely light and cool, and therefore it becomes even more crucial to tackle the heat and humidity during the hot weather. Moreover, having a bowl of curd daily not only keeps you hydrated but also boosts energy levels. 2. Yogurt aids in digestion. As heat rises, the digestive system becomes slow and weaker, leading to various digestive issues, and here yogurt can save you. Yogurt is dense in healthy bacteria, which improves the digestion and maintains good gut health. If you suffer from indigestion or bloating, the yogurt is the right medicine for you. It also helps in reducing heartburns and acidity. Also, it boosts your immunity and helps you fight myriad diseases from the common cold to infections. 3. Your bones get stronger. One of the major health benefits of yogurt is that it helps reduce the risk of osteoporosis, a condition which refers to weak bones. But the yogurt can reduce the chances of it. Like milk and other dairy products, the yogurt is a rich source of calcium. It not only helps in maintaining bone density but also helps in strengthening them. 4. Keeps your weight in check. If you are trying to save those few kilos off during summer, yogurt is the go-to option. Yogurt contains probiotics that keeps your digestive system in check and improve metabolism. This will facilitate the weight loss process. Yogurt is low in carbs and high in protein, which makes it a perfect superfood in your weight loss journey. 5. Manages anxiety and stress. Although summertime is associated with vacations and relaxation, it is not always the case between planning vacations and picnics. To trying to manage your work life, summer tends to be more chaotic than carefree. To tackle this, curd can be helpful. A bowl of yogurt is known to reduce anxiety. It can help you relax and keep your stress level in check. Also, ladies, consuming curd regularly is known to improve and strengthen the immune system, so consume it the way you like it. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.